Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video, we're going to discuss the Bitcoin price action, and we're going to talk about on why I do think Bitcoin is going to come down ever so slightly today here before continuing its rally towards the upside tomorrow. So if this sounds interesting, and if you want to be finding out about where Bitcoin is heading towards, don't forget to right away smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification, and let's jump right away in towards the content. So Bitcoin right now in front of your screen, of course, has been showing a very strong bounce from our upward sloping support line, what we have been discussing yesterday. So yesterday we did talk you guys over this critical level of previous support that most likely will be providing us very strong support once again. And like you can see, this level did provide us an extreme strong bounce towards the upside with an approximately 4% here. So why am I saying right now that Bitcoin most likely is going to come down further on before continuing its rally up towards the upside? So I will be saying this real quickly to you guys before going further in towards the content, because Bitcoin did close its CME yesterday, of course, on the 61k here. So what I do expect here is that Bitcoin is either going to come to the Monday on the 61k here. So we're right now trading above the CME close, and if you're trading above the CME close, we could be anticipating a correction on Monday. And of course, if we're trading below it, you could be anticipating a pump on Monday. But right now, we're still trading above the CME. So we're right now approximately $600 above the CME. And what I do want to be seeing here is that, of course, in approximately, let me see how much hour from here on the CME will be opening once again. In approximately 11 hours from here on, I do want to see Bitcoin trading around this 61k level. And of course, if we're not going to do so, just like we had last time around, it took us another 11 hours, like you can see over here, until we got filled in. As well, the week before, it took us only 1 hour. So yeah, let's just wait and see how it's going to be playing out here. But at least I do expect that Bitcoin is going to be trading back tomorrow on this 61k level here. So I will be for sure still anticipate Bitcoin is going to be reaching the 61,000 US dollars. But yeah, what are we right now seeing here on this different pattern here? You can see here Bitcoin still broke out clearly of this falling wedge. Bitcoin clearly broke out of this lower high structure over here. Like you can see over here, it formed this downward sloping resistance line. What got us rejected several times here. We broke through the trend line, we increased further in valuation, and right now we are preparing ourselves for a next major rally up here. But first, I do anticipate that Bitcoin could be maybe either see a big wick on the lower side getting created and then continue its trend up here, or we could be bouncing here and then see a major wick getting created and then continue our bounce up here. But personally, I do still think Bitcoin is indeed next week going to see some more bullish price action, and I do think still indeed Bitcoin is going to see a further increase into next week here, since the trend is your friend till it ends here. And so far the trend has been basing towards the upside, and I personally will be for sure still anticipate the market is going to continue rising up here. As well, if we're going to quickly have a look to the symmetrical triangle, we are right now on approximately 5 days away before meeting the apex. And of course, like you can see in front of your screen here, 5 days before the apex is getting reached is of course not relatively so long here. And right now, I will be for sure still anticipate Bitcoin is going to be, breaking out through the upside. We still have to wait ever so slightly till we're going to see some more significance getting added towards the market. But so far, yeah, it does look quite interesting on how the market is going to be playing out there. And I still right now think that within the coming 5 days here, so within next week here, we're going to see this massive volatility shock either towards the upside or downside. And I can tell you already, Bitcoin usually tends to be breaking out before the apex is getting reached here. So what I do anticipate right now here is that Bitcoin is going to break out here within the coming 3 days from now on here. Of course, if we're going to be breaking out towards the upside, we could be well in for the 17% surge towards the upside, what could be bringing Bitcoin all the way up towards 75,000 US dollars. I'm personally already in a long position, and I will be for sure still build up my long position even further on here, because yes, I am very excited that I think that we could be seeing an even further continuation towards even higher levels for Bitcoin. So that is for sure a thing that I am currently anticipating right now. And of course, if the market is going to come down further, I will be adding more to my position, because yeah, in general, I am extremely bullish on Bitcoin. But of course, if the market is going to experience a very significant drop off here towards the lows here, and maybe see this pullback towards this this lower target here, yeah, we could be well in for, of course, this 17% surge towards the downside. But this will be only playing out if Bitcoin is going to fail to hold on towards the support line, read this level as resistance, and not a breakthrough once again above it, because that could be, of course, signifying a fake out. That if we break below it, we get rejected by this range, and we see such kind of a structure like this here, excuse me, like this here, yeah, we could be in for a well further continuation down here. And of course, if we break out here and we're going to see a surge, a continuation like this here, I do want to be seeing a retest of the level, flip it into support, and then a continuation, because that is just showing us the significance that we did cleared the resistance, and right now are retesting it as support. And that is, of course, at the end of the day, a thing that I would like to see here in the market playing out right now. So yeah, that's pretty interesting what we're seeing here as well. If we're quickly having a different view on the 4-hourly candles, Bitcoin is right now still trading against resistance on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. You can clearly see over here previous resistance, previous support, resistance, support, resistance. So yeah, I've been going over this level several times already with you guys, but yeah, this is a clear level of previous support and resistance. So what is going to be crucial for me right now here is that Bitcoin is going to close a 4-hourly candle above this level in order to continue the trend up here. But like I just warned you already about here, the CME close is still in the 61k here, so maybe we're going to see such kind of this structure getting playing out here. First a minor correction down here, then a further continuation up here. Keep your eyes wide open here for Bitcoin. And of course, if you want to be staying up to date about the market here, don't forget to follow me on Twitter @ForeverCRC, because over here I will be keeping you guys up to date about all the market developments here. And of course, if I'm opening a trade or whatsoever, I will be keeping you guys up to date through Twitter, of course. So yeah, guys, this was already it for today's video. Don't forget to right away smash on the like button, and of course subscribe to the channel if you did like the content. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.